Hello! To enter recovery mode on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you'll have to turn off your phone by pressing and holding your power button and disabling it, just like this. Wait a little bit until the phone completely shuts down, and as the phone is off, you will have to turn it on by pressing and holding at the same time the power button and volume up button. So right now let me drop the phone to press these two buttons at the same time, and right now actually when the Poco logo appears, you will have to release the power button and only hold this volume up button. So let me show you how to do this. Press and hold simultaneously these two buttons, and as the Poco logo appears, it is not appearing for some reason. Let me try again. Alright, and now release the power button and just keep on holding this volume up button until the phone turns on. And right now, as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. So to navigate through recovery mode, we can use these buttons, the volume buttons and power button. Volume buttons to move up and down, and power button to accept, to confirm. And yeah, basically that's it. That's how to get into the recovery mode. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.